Here is a quick step-by-step video on how to flush the cooler lines on your 2014 to 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. We have this transmission out for repairs, so it will make it easier to show the process. On the driver's side of your transmission, you will see a cooler thermal bypass block held on by a 13mm bolt. Remove the bolt and pull off the block. Next, you'll need to remove the thermal bypass block from the transmission lines. This block has a thermostat inside and will not allow any cleaner, air, or fluid to flow through the lines until it reaches a certain temperature. Remove the 10mm bolt the mechanic points to here. Also, some year models have retainer clips instead of a bolt as shown here. If so, just remove the clips and pull out the lines. With the thermal block removed, notice how there are two O-ring seals inside the block where the lines go in. With a small pick or screwdriver, remove these seals and put them in a safe place for later, unless you have new ones to replace them with. We are now ready to start flushing out these cooler lines. With some compressed air and a used jug, blow air into one end of the lines to force all fluid out of the other end. Empty out your jug. Now you may be thinking, that flush got everything out, right? Wrong. Next, you will need to get one or maybe even two cans of Cooler Clean, as shown here. If you can't find this at your local stores, then check out our links below this video to find it on Amazon. Next, you will want to connect the can of Cooler Clean to the top transmission line and start pushing the cleaner through the lines. Be sure to have your empty jug ready to catch the fluid coming from the bottom line as well. Run a half can of the Cooler Clean through the lines. Then use your compressed air to blow through the top line again to remove the cleaner. Now you can dump the fluid from the jug. Notice how dirty the cleaner is. This is because there is still fluid and debris in the cooler lines and external cooler. Now the mechanic will hook the can of Cooler Clean to the bottom transmission line. Use the jug on the top line to catch the fluids. With the Cooler Clean can empty, we will blow compressed air into the lines in the same direction from the bottom line. Now take a look at how clean the fluid is coming out of the jug. This transmission had been hot and clutches burnt up bad inside, so the mechanic has another can of Cooler Clean to run through just to make sure the radiator, external cooler, and cooler lines are all free of debris. If you think yours is pretty bad as well, then I recommend doing this process more than once to ensure it is flushed out good. Once cleaned, you can put your two O-rings back on the lines and install the thermal bypass block back onto the vehicle. Then, you will need to start the vehicle and check or add the transmission fluid you have lost. I hope this video helps you guys. Please give us a like and subscribe.